Zameen.com has been a pioneer in the real estate marketing and sales sector for the last 18 years, with over 300 projects worth more than $3 billion currently being successfully sold and marketed across the nation. Zameen has proven time and again how deeply it understands the constantly changing needs of the market, as it continues to provide state-of-the-art solutions for its developers and customers. Our extensive portfolio includes
We are in the service industry, and to be successful into the real estate industry, the basic thing is we have to watch the interest of the end users. I am Lake Chaudhary, Senior Director, Zameen.com, Project Sales. The most important thing is the satisfaction of the customer, and we can only attain it once their goals are achieved. So we try our level best to give the best quality as per committed time.
We started our operations in 2006, and now Alhamdulillah we have more than 5,000 permanent employees, and we are selling projects worth more than $3 billion. Zameen.com ensures कि हमने हर तरह से प्रोजेक्ट की लीगल वायबिलिटी, फाइनेंशियल वायबिलिटी और थ्रू आउट द टाइम इसकी डिलीवरी और एग्जीक्यूशन के ऊपर हमारी स्पेशलाइज्ड टीम्स कंटिन्यूसली काम करती हैं, एंड द क्लाइंट्स आर फेयरली कॉन्फिडेंट एंड दे आर वेरी सेटिस्फाइड कि वो प्रोडक्ट जो उनको Zameen.com के प्लेटफॉर्म से ऑफर हो रही है उसके अंदर किसी भी किस्म की उनको परेशानी की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और 2015 से ऑनवर्ड्स वो प्रोडक्ट्स जो हमने पब्लिक ऑफर किए थे, जो इंस्टॉलमेंट के ऊपर लोगों ने प्रॉपर्टीज़ और रियल एस्टेट परचेज की थी, वो ड्यूरिंग दिस कोर्स ऑफ टाइम डिलीवर हुई है। If I take some projects names, Goldcrest, which is located in DHA Phase 4, which is successfully delivered and handed over, and people have great capital gains in it. DHA Raya in DHA Phase 6, जिसके अंदर हमारे पास रेजिडेंशियल विलास थे और इसके अलावा हमारे पास वहाँ पे कमर्शियल प्लाजास थे. That location is now called as Markaz.
We have delivered many buildings all over Pakistan, and each of them is a masterpiece with unparalleled facilities in the building. The credibility which we have made in the last 5 to 10 years by not only commitment, by delivering whatever we have committed.
For more information and details, call 111 333 333. Zameen.com. हर पता हमें पता है.